Hey YouTube, just getting set up for this first weld on the long open corner joint, open outside corner. That's the acetylene, oxyacetylene weld I'm going to be doing. It's about 1mm gap or something. This one piece here I've set up, so I'll be testing, doing a little bit of oxyacetylene on that, a little bit of stick, and testing before I actually strike up on the job. It's going to be first real gas weld for 40 years, so hope all goes well.
Equal pressure process.
It is better to have a slightly carburizing flame for weld quality purposes